Day two was a shorter day on the deck build. After wrapping up the work here, I spent the rest of the day taking care of a few other projects around the client's house. But this was still an important part of the build. This is where I started opening up the patio concrete and figuring out exactly what I had underneath the slab for the new post supports. Here comes some of that nice solid reverb sound. That right there was letting me know there was definitely a lot more concrete than I imagined underneath there. Now's enough of the tomfoolery. I had to find out exactly how much concrete was there, as I was maintaining no ground by myself. Bring out the trusty rotary hammer, drill some pilot holes with a long bit so that way I could test the depth of the concrete. That's where I found out it had turn downs of 18 inches, so I had exactly what I needed on that perimeter edge. I went ahead and brought the client over right here so that way we could confirm some of the details I needed as far as layout, placement of posts, this and that. Make sure he was all in agreement of it. Luckily for us, he was. After wrapping up the deck work for the day, I spent the rest of my time knocking out a few other projects around the client's house that he had needing done. One of those was this small, low profile platform in front of the shed I built a short while back. I just framed it out on decking blocks and then installed the decking to finish it off. And while I didn't get much footage from the next couple days, this is where the porch build was heading next, with the post set and the deck frame getting ready to move forward. Just with rain and, my phone getting hot, I just recording the video just didn't work out for me. So the next day video that we get, it'll be after all this deck framing has been underway.